Next today's topic is functions of weight is 7 plus 2 plus 2. 7 marks to 2 marks questions assay. So before functions we have to learn these some definitions. The definitions are first set. What is set? The collection of well-defined objects. The collection of well-defined objects. Well-defined objects is called set. The collection of well-defined objects is called set, and the sets are denoted by capital letters of the English alphabets, like n is equal to n means set of natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3 and so on, and zn means integers, set of integers 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2, like that. Next, order pair. Pair and two elements. If any two elements are listed in the ordered brackets, if any two elements can listed in the ordered brackets, అంటే ఇలా ordered brackets అంటే వీటిని అంటారు. Any two elements, let that two elements be a comma b. Suppose if any two elements can be listed in the ordered bracket, then it is said to be a order pair. Now here in the order pair a comma b, a is called the first component. A is called first component, and b is called second component. A comma b are two elements. Like A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B, and then the order pair A comma B. A is called the first element, first component, and B is called the second component. Next one is Cartesian product. Cartesian product. Now, what is the definition of Cartesian product? Let A comma B are two non-empty sets. That means in this A and B we have some elements. If there is no element, then it is said to be empty set. Non-empty set means there is some elements. If A comma B are two non-empty sets, then the set of all order pairs, set is denoted by flower bracket. Then the set of all order pairs, order pair ante A comma B, such that A belongs to A belongs to first A set, and B belongs to B, is called the Cartesian product. And the Cartesian product of A comma B is denoted by, and the Cartesian product of A comma B is denoted by, Cartesian product of A comma B is denoted by A cross B. So A into B, we have to write A into B and read it as A cross B. A cross B, read it as A cross B. Next is the example for Cartesian product. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3 elements and B equal to the elements A comma B. Then A cross B is equal to the Cartesian product of A and B. A cross B is the set of, Cartesian product is the set of all elements, order pairs. What are order pairs? First A lone elements is then B lone elements. 1A, 1B, 1A, 1B. Next with 2, 2A, 2B, and 3, 3A, 3B is the Cartesian product of A comma B. Now similarly, what is B cross A? Cartesian product of B and A is denoted by B cross A. First now B elements, that is A1, next A2, A3, next with B, B1, B2, B3, B1, B2, B3. Observe here, is A cross B equal to B cross A? Order pair 1 comma A, is A equal to 1? No. So A cross B is not equal to B cross A here. A cross B is not equal to B cross A. And number of elements in A cross B, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In B cross A also same. But number of elements in A cross B is equal to number of elements in B cross A. A cross B లో ఎన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయో B cross A లో కూడా అన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి. How many elements are there? And the third point, number of elements in A cross B is equal to number of elements in B cross A is equal to. Total here A have 3 elements and B has 2 elements. Now A cross B is how many elements? 6 elements. Now 6 how we get? 3 into 2 only. So that is M into N. If M of A have M elements and B has N elements, then the number of cross product, then the number of elements in A cross B or B cross A is equal to M into N. One is relation. Relation means if A comma B are any two non-empty subsets, A comma B are two non-empty sets. If A comma B are any two non-empty sets, then any subset of A cross B, any subset of A cross B is called the relation. That means the subset of A cross B is called a relation. Now see example. So previous example, that A is equal to the elements 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to the elements A comma B. Now what is a relation? That relation we consider as R1. R1 is equal to the subset of the Cartesian product of A comma B. Now 1A and 2B and 3A. 1A, 2B and 3A are the elements in the A cross B. So 1A, 2B and 3A. The set of this element is clearly a subset of A cross B. So this is the subset are equal to A cross B. Similarly, R2 is equal to the second relation. What is that? 2B or 2A or 3B or 3A. So it is also a subset of A cross B. So this subset of any subset of A cross B is called a relation. So this is also a relation clearly since this is a subset of A cross B. Now if N of A, number of elements in A have M elements and number of elements in B, N of B equal to N, then N of A equal to M, N of B equal to N, then number of relations from A to B is equal to 2 power M into N, 2 power N of A into N of B, that is 2 power M into N. This is the relation. Relation means a non-empty set aithe A comma B. The subset of A cross B is called a relation. So that number of relations formula is 2 power Mn. Here M is the number of elements in A and N is the number of elements in B. Next one is function. A relation F, a relation F from A to B, a relation F from A to B is said to be a function, if every element in set A has unique image in set B. A relation F from A to B is said to be a function. A A relation f from A to B is said to be a function if every element in set B, sorry, set A has unique image in set B. అంటే సెట్ A లోని ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్ కి ఒక యూనిక్ ఇమేజ్ ఉండాలి ఇన్ సెట్ B, ఆర్ ఇన్ అదర్ వర్డ్స్ ఆర్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ A belongs to A, this is symbol for all or for every. For all A belongs to A, for all A belongs to A, then there exist, this symbol is there exist, there exist. In reverse lo raskoవాలి. For every A belongs to A, then there exist unique B belongs to B, unique B belongs to B, such that f of A equal to B, f of A equal to B అయితే then it is said to be a function from A to B.